Hi there. Well, I just arrived in Cape Cod to my client's beautiful vacation house that we've been working on for almost a year, and I just can't wait to show you how gorgeous everything looks. I'm currently in the master bathroom, and we have their vanity, their custom closet, and look how beautiful all the tile looks now that it's complete. On Thursday, we're gonna get all the furniture. Can't you imagine just soaking in that tub? Ooh, I love it. Then we go into the master bedroom, all drenched in gorgeous light and with all these beautiful views of their really pretty property. It'll be nice when all the worker vans will be gone, but that's soon enough. And then we get to, now check this out. Look at this. Look at this laundry room tile. To die for. Wait, just check that out. Doesn't this make you want to do laundry? I'm telling you. Gorgeous. Another guest bath. More of this happy tile. Happy client. I love it. And look at this. The pendants match the sky.